Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to adjust the screen timeout period on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display and brightness. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see the option auto lock. Tap on this one. So now I set the auto lock to 4 minutes. And you can set the auto lock or the screen timeout period from 30 seconds to never. If you select the option never, it will not lock your device until you press on the power button. So if you set this 30 seconds, then you can see the same change. After the inactivity of 30 seconds, the device will automatically turn off. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the device is automatically turning off. Yeah, the device is locked. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable or we can adjust the screen timeout period on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.